Today I want to talk a little bit more about another kind of wand, namely these massage wands, which are obviously not natural. They're man-made and they're shaped into these wands. They are a wonderful tool in crystal healing and a wonderful tool in crystal surgery. Firstly, the rounded end, let's talk about that. This is a piece of amazonite shaped into a wand. Amazonite has a wonderful, wonderful property of relaxing muscle tension and muscle spasm. And the key is how to use it. And what you want to do is infuse the amazonite energy into the tissue. And you simply do that by rolling the amazonite on the body and applying it to where the muscle tension or muscle spasm is. Now, I'm being careful not to massage. I'm just gliding the amazonite over Mary Beth's leg. I'm not pressing hard. And the reason for that is I'm not a massage therapist. But I am a crystal healer, and I'm wanting to infuse the energy of the amazonite into her muscle tissue by doing this. What do you think, Mary Beth?
I just felt all the tension release in my legs.
It's like a miracle, isn't it? It's absolutely fantastic. That's great. And there's the wonders of amazonite in a massage wand, that you're able to just work with it like that. Now, I have found that I can do double gridding with the amazonite wand together with this golden azeztulite wand. So these two. And this one has a lovely point, and this one is a little more rounded. And it doesn't matter because I can still grid with them. And what I do is I use my intention to teach my amazonite wand to direct a fine point of energy similar to the fine point of energy coming out of this wand, and I work with them together to do a double gridding like so. And this will teach Mary Beth's muscular system and connective tissue to relax and release tension simply by doing this. So I have a whole range of these different massage style wands, even though I don't do massage with them, and I use them each in a different way. Now this one is bustamite, and this one is the one that taught me to think of a thin beam of light coming out of it, and I grid with it like so. And what this bustamite does is it soothes the emotional layer of the energy field. And it basically explains to the emotional layer of the energy field that it can relax and be soothed. Very different property from just trying to address muscle tension. These are my Sardonyx ones, and I use them in a very particular way. I grid with them and do a double grid, but then I also use them like salad tongs and pick out of the energy field what I don't want there. The Sardonyx is after what we call anger hairballs. And we're just removing these anger hairballs out of the energy field. Very powerful technique, great relief to people who are feeling very frustrated and angry and unable to express it for whatever reason. So yeah, I have a moonstone wand and a sunstone wand, and I can stand at the feet and do my energy generating using these two shaped massage wands with their beautiful points and their beautiful energy. Pump up their energy field with the sunstone and moonstone energy. I happen to be using moonstone and sunstone, and they make a good pair together, but you can use any two shaped massage wands and generate energy like this at the feet. Pumps up the energy field, increases the size of the cells of the energy field so that they're better able to absorb the healing energy. Wonderful versatile tools, these shaped massage wands.